Hi, welcome to Forest Velo. So if you want to add some data to your videos, like you've just seen on that short clip at the beginning of the video, this is how to do it if you've got an Insta X4. So the easiest way to do it is using the Insta360 app on your phone. Okay, so if you've got the app on your phone, as you know, if we just have a look up here, the first thing you need to do is connect your device. Once you've connected your device, you can go into Album and then choose a video. So if we choose one of these videos, you can see at the moment there's no data on there. So if you make sure by clicking the screen we choose Pro at the top and then go down to Edit in the middle at the bottom, you'll get your menu of editing, and there you go, top left, Stats. All you need to do is click on Stats and you'll be taken to this page where you choose Garmin Connect. Once you've done that, as you can see, you just choose Garmin Connect and it will automatically link to your video of the same date and time. And as you can see, there's a variety of styles of data overlay you can use. And if you want to, you can turn or toggle on and off various settings like cadence, inclination, elevation, kilometers to miles an hour, things like that. Once you've done that, it's on your video, and all you need to do then is export your video however you want to export it. I normally choose 4K, and it will be sent to your photo album with the data on it, as you can see there. Okay, so that's a pretty straightforward way to do it if you've got Insta360 X4 and the app and Garmin Connect. If you haven't got a Garmin, you can still do it. I use a Wahoo. And basically all you need to do is export your file as a fit file at the end of a ride, and in Garmin Connect, which is free if you haven't already signed up to Garmin Connect, you can upload your ride to that using the fit file. So all you need to do is go in Garmin Connect, go on, upload a ride, and you can find your fit file. Once you've done that, it will be in Garmin Connect and you can just use the app in the same way. And if it's the first time you've used the app and Garmin Connect, you'll be asked to log in so they share data between them, and after you've done it once, it works perfectly. If you would rather edit your videos on Insta360 Studio on a PC, you can still add data, but it isn't as easy. What you need is either the GPS remote or the GPS preview remote, as I reviewed in a recent video, which is here. As you can see, that remote controls the camera, or can control the camera, and it gives all the GPS data. If you use that, it automatically appears on your video once you've chosen to edit a particular video. The data will be there. The only thing is with that, you cannot have, as far as I know, anything like power or heart rate or those sorts of things, because the GPS remote isn't bringing in other data other than its own GPS data. So the best way really to do it for the moment, as far as I can see, until things change, is to use the Studio app and link it to Garmin Connect. Okay, so I hope that helped. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.